you're looking for the best Namecheap promo code available right now, this video is for you because the deals I'm about to show you can save you money on domains, hosting, SSL security, apps, and more all in one place. Instead of using a random coupon that may or may not work, I've added a link in the description that takes you directly to Namecheap's current promo deals page. That page is updated every single month, so you're always seeing the latest discounts, not expired codes. Quick disclosure before we continue, the link in the description is an affiliate link. That means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the best Namecheap pricing available. Using the deals page linked below, you can save on domain names, including popular extensions and new TLDs, Namecheap hosting plans, SSL certificates and website security, business tools and apps, email hosting and extras. So whether you're just starting a brand new website or managing multiple sites, there's almost always a deal running. Here's why I recommend using the link instead of Googling for promo codes. No expired coupons, deals are automatically applied, discounts update monthly, covers everything Namecheap offers, not just domains. You don't have to guess which code works, you just pick the deal and check out. Namecheap is especially great if you want affordable domain registration, simple beginner-friendly tools, transparent pricing, reliable support, a clean dashboard without upsell overload. It's a solid option for beginners, freelancers, and anyone managing multiple domains. To get the latest Namecheap promo deals, just click the link in the description, browse the current monthly offers, choose what you need, domain, hosting, security, or apps, check out with a discount added automatically or paste in the promo code. No coupon hunting required. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for the current Namecheap deals page so you don't miss the latest discounts.